This is a excellent 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a 50,000 mile Survivor. This is a 454 LS5 4-speed. And of course, these big block cars always came highly optioned. It's got power steering, power brakes, factory air, power windows, telescopic wheel, and the 4-speed, of course. The 4-speed is very, very rare in these. Most of them all came with the automatic. You come across the 4-speeds every now and again, but not that often. Beautiful silver paint. It has been repainted, but this is the factory color that it came with. Nice radial TA tires. Sorry, it's a little noisy out here today, here in Denver, Colorado. Radial TA tires. And then keep in mind on these, a lot of these front bumpers on these cars you see out there for sale are cracked. It's very common because 1973 is such a unique year. This one is in really good shape, and it even has clear bra here and clear bra here. All the way up to here is where the clear bra ends. So that's really cool that that's not cracked. It has a Bloomington Survivor Award, National Bloomington Survivor Award. We will have a copy of that on our website, along with the original build sheet. Of course, the 454 is numbers matching. We'll have a picture of that as well. Check out this interior. This interior, black leather. This interior is part of the Survivorship Award. It is all original and in excellent shape. So really cool to see. Silver with black's a great color combo. Love the wood grain. All right, 52,196 miles, original miles on this 1973 Corvette. Whether you believe that or not, it is true, and it's pretty sweet, and it shows, and the car shows it. Very nice exhaust sound. Center gauges. Got a radio. Let it warm up a little bit. 73 is cool because it's the first year they got rid of the little windshield wiper door they had on previous years. So that's pretty cool. You see the wipers work really good. See if I can get this radio turned on. It's trying to. 454, 390 foot-pounds of torque, 8 to 25 to 1 compression ratio. Factory AC controls here, so it does have factory air. Everything's there, but it does not blow cold. Looks like someone did try to convert it to R134A, but there must be a leak in the system somewhere because it does not blow cold, so keep that in mind. Power windows go up and down nicely. It does have a horn. You got your headlights. You got your bright indicator over there. 454 big block Chevy V8, numbers matching, 4-speed Survivor car. This is one special 73 if this is what you are looking for. Engine sounds really good. Got the smog, AC, power brakes. See, it's still got the flapper down there over the control arm. Again, we'll have a picture of the VIN stamp on the engine and the transmission on our website. You can find the link to our website, take you direct to this car. If you scroll down, there'll be a link in the description. So I already pointed out the front bumper is in great shape to you guys. I love 1973 Corvettes personally because I think it's a very stylish year. Love the chrome bumper in the rear. Love the urethane bumper in the front. Love the longer hood without the windshield wiper door. They got rid of the removable rear window that no one ever used anyways. Of course, they kept the T-tops. This is just a really, really nice original example of a 454 4-speed silver on black Corvette. So if you're looking for one, take a close look at this car because I think you'll find the more you look at it, the more you're going to appreciate it. They got some more clear bra right there in front of the rear tire and behind the rear tire. Of course, you got the cargo rack. Love the exhaust. Take you right to our website. There you'll be able to find the original build sheet, the Bloomington Survivorship Award, undercarriage pictures, and the rest of the high resolution photo gallery. So if you'd like to make an offer or learn more, don't hesitate to give us a call. That's Cars Remember When.